Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Sudhan on Sudhanisch. Today we are going to make pita bread pizza, and it's very easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. Come join me.
Alright.
So this is what you need to make a pita bread pizza. First you need a flat pita bread. You can get it at a supermarket or a Turkish store around the corner from your place. And this pita bread, if you smell it, it's actually very, it smells a bit yeasty, and this is what you want. It's flat.
Yeasty, right?
Yeah, it smells a bit yeasty.
Alright.
And I only managed to get a smaller version this time because, you know, the supermarket didn't have its delivery of bigger ones. But most likely you'll get a bigger pita bread, which is a bit larger. And you need one of those. And you've got, we need tomatoes. We need some anchovies, some baby spinach, capers, and an egg is optional, and I'll tell you more about later, and some cheese. Here I have some Gruyere. It's just something that I had in the fridge, but you're fine to also use cheddar or Mozzarella or Jong Belegen, which you get in the Netherlands. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Oh, I forgot. You also need some salt, pepper, and some oregano, and some olive oil. So let's begin. First we spread some tomato puree over it, just like this.
Alright.
Spread it evenly, and just you don't have to be too delicate in terms of how you spread it, but just spread it very simply like that. And then put some tomatoes. I actually cut one tomato, but I've already got one in the oven already because I'm making two smaller ones. But you probably would end up using one whole tomato on your one large pita bread. So I'm just going to put them like that, and then sprinkle some, top it up with some spinach, baby spinach. Just like that, and grab some capers. You just want to just gently, roughly place them around. Yeah. And the same with the anchovies. I just broke them up into little pieces earlier, just to make it easier. I'm just going to quickly wash my hands a little bit because I just touched some anchovies. And we just top it up with some salt and pepper and a sprinkle of oregano. Not too much, just gently. And then now we just roughly put some cheese. Not too much. I like to just put a little bit on me, but not drown them in with cheese, because I want it to be rather healthy. And then if you really want, like especially if you want to make it for brunch and so forth, you can just put one cracked egg, just like that, in the middle.
Hoppa, we just missed it.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
So that's done, and I've already, like I told you, because I had two small pita bread, so I made two instead of one big one. And here's the one that's already made. Look at that beauty. And I'm just going to take that off and put that on a plate.
Without the egg, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's quite crispy, and I think I put that in the oven for about 8 minutes or so on a preheated oven on 180 degrees. So, and here's the one that we just made. I'm going to put it on there, and I'm just going to cook it till the egg cooks a bit and the cheese is melted. And on the one that we've already made, I'm going to show you. This is just drizzle some olive oil just like that. And that's it. It's ready to be eaten.
Nice. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
Good for lunch.
Yeah. Nice and simple. So we've put the pita bread pizza with the egg in the oven, and I think it's actually ready now. So I'm going to grab it out of the oven, and there we go. It's ready. Look at that. It looks beautiful. The egg is not too done, and it's just the right consistency.
Nice.
And I'm going to put that on the plate. And just crack some pepper and drizzle some olive oil, just like that, and it's ready to be served. Now if you do want to make, if you do have somebody else joining you for lunch or brunch or whatever, just follow what I did and just repeat it for another pita bread, and that's it. So if you like what you see, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned with Cooking with Sudhan on Sudhanisch, and next time we'll be making pan-fried chicken. Till then, see you later.